design great products? Solutions generating a big value? I was pretty sure. So you must have secured your knowledge. No? Do you really manage your projects manually? Good! You must be a true hero. But even superpowers do not put your work safe from risk. Some examples? Does your archive contain duplicate files? And this generates costs and management problems. Or again, are there files with missing references? Maybe you have no idea how many. But one thing is certain, the more time passes and more persons collaborate, the more problems are generated. With the result that the value built over time, day after day, is compromised. But starting today, you have a new ally, Archive Commander Standard, a personal assistant who analyzes your SolidWorks archive, informs you about critical areas, and measures its health status. Archive Commander Standard, your work with less unexpected.